कुत्तिया।
Hello. I know it's quite unrelated, but I just want to let you know that I have started going to gym. I can prove it to you, like see this. I know कोई लेना देना नहीं है इसका स्टोरी से, but I just want to flaunt. As you might know, I got a dog. I got her like 4 months back, and when she came to us, she was 45 days old. So she was quite young, still a baby. The journey has been quite fascinating. I did not know that having dog is such a wholesome thing. It's literally having one living being inside your home and to take care of that person, to be with that person literally till the time she dies. Like I have to take care of her, and she really loves us. There are many things that I've learned just by having her. Like she came and she pooped in our house. And because I had to convince my mother to have the dog, I actually decided to just get the pocha and to clean it all, because I never wanted to piss off my mother, because I knew that if she is not ready for it, we won't have a dog. So my prime job was to really make sure that my mom is not pissed off. And that has been quite a task. She'll piss anywhere. And I was the one running behind, cleaning all the time. And that has been quite fascinating. I still can't believe at times that I'm the one who's actually cleaning shit and the urine. Maybe had it not been for my dog, I wouldn't have done it. Like for example, if tomorrow some other dog comes at my place and he or she does the same, I don't know if I'll be able to do it. I'll do it probably, but that really won't come from my inside. And that's when I realized that emotional bias is a thing, because she is like my younger sister, my little sister, or my daughter, metaphorically. And talking about daughters, I do want to highlight the fact that I always want to have a daughter. Like I always wanted that. Right from the point when I was small, I just wanted a daughter. I don't know, it fascinates me. And I feel like that I always wanted to have a female dog, because bitch sounds a little offensive. And having her, taking care of her, for me it has been like a daddy internship. And personally I feel like I'm more ready to be a father someday. I don't know when. Whenever it happens, I feel like I'm more ready for it. Now there's one aspect of having a daughter that I want to discuss here, which I realized by having my dog. Before having a dog, I used to watch few YouTube videos which used to talk about the kind of dog that you should have and not. So majority of people, they don't prefer having a female dog because obviously periods, and because when that time comes, they tend to bleed. I understand for everyone it's not that easy task to actually clean it all the time and to manage it. I did not know that time is passing so fast and she's growing up so fast. When she came, she was so small. Now she has almost grown up. I feel like वो भी अपने teenager phase में है, dog years में. So 3-4 days back, I noticed that like she's a very active dog, very mischievous. She's like usually very much jumping all the time and shouting all the time and energetic. I noticed it was in the evening that she was just lying down and she was very silent. And I was like, there's something wrong, because कि घर में किसी भी time अगर टिम की आवाज़, टिम माई डॉग, अगर उसकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है, समझ जाओ कि कुछ गड़बड़ी है. तो मैं उसके पास गया ना, realized there were blood stains on the floor, and that was something which was initially a little difficult for me to digest. And I was like, oh, ये वक्त आ चुका है. I did not know it comes so fast. And she was in pain, obviously, and she was probably very clueless कि ये क्या हो रहा है. All of a sudden I've started bleeding. I had to take cotton and I had to clean it all. मैंने वो सब रिकॉर्ड करा था, but I felt like यार वो सब दिखाना वीडियो में ना थोड़ा insensitive होगा. उसके बाद से it's the 3rd or 4th day, she is different from how she used to be. She's in pain, of course. She's not that chirpy anymore, at least for this time being. We have to take some extra care of her. उसके पास जाओ, उसको सहलाओ, तो she'll respond differently. Like earlier she used to jump, now she's more like laid back these days and she'll just be sitting there. So I have this habit of carrying her on my shoulder like a baby, literally, और वो आराम से आ जाती है. I did not realize that one day it was all blood here, and I got scared. I was like, ये कैसे हो गया कि यहाँ पे खून आ गया? And then I realized, okay, ये reason होगा. And the reason for which I'm relating this to having a daughter someday is that in my brain, as absurd as it might sound, I don't know, I feel like someday when I'll have my daughter, which I really want to have a daughter, this will be the thing I'll go through again. And I feel like this has been like a mood or net practice for me, where I actually felt like how it felt for someone else to go through that and actually take care of them and to make sure that they are fine. I cannot feel the pain, obviously. As an empathetic human being, one thing I've realized that the way I have reacted and the way my father has reacted to this is a little different from how my mother and my sister they reacted to this. Because although मैं और मेरे पापा इंसान हैं, but फिर भी उस वक्त I could literally feel that my mother and my sister वो एक कुत्ते से ज़्यादा connected feel कर रही थी और उनके अंदर वो empathy जाग रही थी. Because they must have gone through it for the first time, और वो feeling. And I feel like शायद मेरी बहन का भी उन्होंने ऐसे ही ध्यान रखा होगा when that happened. Little things in life which are so fascinating, and just having a pet is so wholesome. It's so learning that you learn so many things. Let me put it this way: the unconditional love that I get, it's priceless. Like even if I go for a run or to gym as I said, and I come back, she'll start jumping on me as if I was out for some 15 days or what. So that love melts me all the time, and it's overwhelming, and I get emotional to go through that every day. This feeling is quite humbling. Many a times we are so much surrounded by gadgets all the time, Wi-Fi से, smart TV, smartphone, whatever, 15,000 चीज़ें आ चुकी हैं. But to see this, it's the purest form of nature. ये वो learnings हैं जो actually में life की memories हैं. It's impossible for me to actually put it properly whatever I felt, because no matter how much we as a civilization we have developed, but still literature sometimes is not enough to really express what we feel, and that's what I'm feeling right now. To have a dog, and I consider her as my sister. So to have her and to see her going through this and to be able to take care of her, and just like the fact that we have a bias towards children that हम सबको लड़का चाहिए traditionally, similarly we do have a bias towards dogs as well, where we want a male dog. But I feel like अब ये मेरा bias है that the female dogs are the best ones. इस पे हम कभी और विस्तार से चर्चा करेंगे. अभी मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ. You guys take care. Play this song, just sing along.